OMD24 data logger. The log buttons are used to operate the integrated data logger. These buttons show a live display in which the current data from the alarm status, the external separator, the oil content, the device status, and the reserve is recording to IMO requirements. That data can be shown as graphical or text-based recording at any particular time. All the information will be recorded every 15 seconds. All recorded data is available for more than 18 months. The internal factory clock is set to GMT and cannot be changed or adjusted. The internal clock is adjusted to be within plus or minus 2 minutes. Accessing the data. The log button leads into the data logger function. Initially, the data logger displays live data. By pressing the log button again, the recorded data display mode is invoked. The graphical recorded data appears. By pressing the log button again, you will change into the non-graphical recorded data. The arrow buttons can be used to navigate the date and time of the recorded data. For leaving the non-graphical recorded data, press escape. The live data appears. Press escape again if you'd like to go to the PPM screen.